Handheld consoles are gaining traction amongst retro gaming enthusiasts, and one that stands out the most is the Trimui Smart Pro. With its sleek design and robust features, it captures the attention of gamers that seeks portability and performance all packed in one affordable option. In today's video, we're going to be taking a first-hand look at this device and see if it's something worth picking up. This video is sponsored by AliExpress, where the summer sale is in full swing. Whether you're hunting for the latest gadgets or grabbing everyday tech essentials, AliExpress is offering fantastic discounts and exclusive coupons for new users to save big. Check out the links and codes in the description below to unlock your summer savings today. Growing up, I spent countless hours with retro consoles, from the classic Game Boy and SNES to the unforgettable N64. Those moments are some of the core memories of my childhood, which shaped my love for gaming today. What's incredible is that now with a device like the Trimui Smart Pro, I can relive all those nostalgic moments in the palm of my hand. The Smart Pro is a portable handheld gaming console designed for retro game lovers. It's engineered to emulate and play thousands of classic games across platforms like the Game Boy, SNES, and upwards to the PlayStation 1. What sets it apart is its compact design, sleek transparent shell, and lightweight feel, weighing just around 110 grams. Despite its size, there's a lot to unpack in this device. It supports a micro SD expansion upwards to 256GB, built-in Wi-Fi for firmware updates, Bluetooth compatibility, and even including multiplayer access. The console features a modern aesthetic with ambient lighting around the analog sticks, with full customization to the user interface, overlays, and buttons, which allows you to tailor the device custom fit to your liking. The product comes featured in a bundle for all your necessities. Included with a carrying case, you'll find the following: the Trimui Smart Pro device, a screen protector, the microSD and case holder, a USB-C cable to charge the device, a manual instruction for everything you need to know about the device, and a portable USB fan. This makes it a simple and hassle-free solution to have all the accessories compacted to take on the go. The Smart Pro comes in 3 sleek color schemes. You have black, white, and a retro-inspired gray that's perfect for old-school gaming fans who want that nostalgic vibe. Its rectangular design is built for horizontal gaming, giving you that familiar but comfortable grip that works great for everything from platformers to RPGs. On the left side of the handheld, you've got the classic D-pad. This is essential for navigating menus, executing precise movements, and pulling off special moves in fighting games. On the right side, you have the XYBA buttons, which is familiar to anyone who used the classic SNES or modern controllers. This is perfect for action commands, jumps, attacks, or any interaction depending on the game. What's really great here is the addition of the dual analog sticks. These unlock smooth controls in games that benefit from the 360-degree movement, like adventure titles, shooters, or racing games, giving you much more flexibility beyond just a D-pad. In the center, you got the menu, select, and start buttons, which are handy for pausing, accessing settings, or quickly jumping between functions. On the top side, you find your 4 shoulder triggers, the L1, L2, R1, and R2. These are ideal for shooters, racing games, or any title where additional input control enhances the gameplay. You also have the power button, a host port for connecting peripherals or updates, and volume controls for easy audio adjustments on the fly. Along the bottom, there's a lanyard hole if you want to attach a wrist strap, a function key that adds a secondary button functions, a DC charging port, and a micro SD slot, which is expandable storage for your game library. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack for private listening or immersive audio, and a microphone feature so you can make calls or communication. This layout makes the Smart Pro extremely versatile. When you first power on the device, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface that loads up quickly. Once you insert a micro SD card, the device automatically detects new games or media. The system neatly organizes the content, making it easy to browse your expanded library without all the extra setups. When I received the Trimui Smart Pro, one of the coolest inclusions was that it already came with a micro SD card pack full of pre-installed games. This means that it's ready to be played right out of the box with no extra setups necessary, no downloads, and no configurations. You just power it on and you're just diving straight into the library of classic games. With access to thousands of retro games across multiple legendary consoles from the Game Boy, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, you have the NES, SNES, Sega Genesis, and even PlayStation 1. While the exact count varies by the SD card, you typically get over 5,000 games across all these systems. That's enough to keep you busy for months and maybe even years. What's amazing is that you're not locked into just one system. You can switch between handheld classics like the Game Boy or just jump into the SNES if you want to. One standout feature is that you have the ability to create save states. This means that you can save your exact game progress at any moment, even if the original game didn't support saving. This is perfect for tricky platformers or RPG boss fights. After giving it some time, gaming on this device is a pleasant experience. The screen is a 5-inch IPS display that is fully laminated for sharp colors and wide viewing angles. Since it's powered with an ARM Cortex processor, this ensures smooth emulation performance even on more demanding titles. I can even run games like Stardew Valley without any issues. And just beyond gaming, you can use the Smart Pro to play music or videos depending on the format, making it a compact multimedia device for on-the-go entertainment. Overall, the Smart Pro's combination of customization, smooth navigation, and extra functionalities transform it from just a handheld gaming system into a full-fledged portable entertainment hub. So, is a Trimui Smart Pro worth it? Well, if you're looking for a budget-friendly handheld that blends retro nostalgia with modern convenience, then this is definitely a standout. You're getting a sleek design with a premium feel, a massive built-in retro game library, smooth performance across multiple emulators, and a high level of customization all packed into one small portable device. Whether you're someone reliving the classics or introducing retro gaming to a newer generation, the Smart Pro delivers a fun, versatile experience that delivers well beyond its price point. You can pick one up right now through AliExpress, where it's featured as part of their summer sale. Plus, new users can score exclusive discounts and coupons to save even more. Check out the links and codes in the description of this video and grab your handheld console and join in on the retro fun. That will conclude my review on the Trimui Smart Pro. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please consider supporting our channel by liking this video and subbing for more affordable tech reviews. In the future, I can create an updated video focusing on modding the device and emulating games outside just the retro scene. So if you're interested in that, definitely let me know because you can even play games like Stardew Valley and Balatro. That'll be it for this video, and until next time, take care.